Every morning, millions of people pour a glass of orange juice. But almost no one sees where it really begins. Every year, the US harvests over 10 billion citrus fruits across more than 800,000 acres of orchards. From tiny seedlings to sunlit groves in Florida and California, citrus farming is a world of patience, precision, and people. Today, we're going behind the scenes to see how sunshine becomes juice, slice by slice. This is where the citrus story begins, in a nursery. Thousands of young trees grow in trays under careful control of temperature, light, and moisture. Staff check every leaf, every tray, because only the strongest saplings earn their spot in the orchard. These early weeks shape the tree's whole life, from disease resistance to future fruit size. Spring is when the real work begins. Thousands of young citrus trees head out to the fields. In Florida and California, where citrus runs deep, most trees are still planted by hand. One hole, one tree, one future at a time. Farm workers space them with care, adding water, nutrients, and hope with every sapling. Every seedling planted today isn't just a tree, it's decades of juice, jobs, and generational pride waiting to grow. Citrus trees take their time. It's 3 to 5 years before they bear significant fruit. In that time, farmers tend soil nutrients, monitor irrigation, and shield trees from wind and frost. All of this happens under constant pressure from storms, heat waves, and a disease known as citrus greening, which has devastated groves across the South. Every citrus tree is shaped by hand or machine. Trimming encourages airflow, sunlight, and safer harvests. Workers remove excess growth, allowing the tree to focus energy on high-quality fruit. The best citrus isn't random, it's sculpted, one cut at a time. By early spring, groves bloom with white citrus flowers. The air smells like honey and orange zest. Each blossom is pollinated by bees, setting the stage for months of fruit growth. If you're enjoying this behind-the-scenes look, hit that like button so more people discover the real world behind their food. Growers use precision tools to protect every flower, because every flower could become a fruit. Six to 7 months after bloom, the quiet groves shift into high gear. It's harvest time. Picking crews move row by row, choosing fruit at just the right color and sugar level. Each picker twists, clips, and fills shoulder bags that can weigh 60 to 80 pounds when full. A skilled crew can move tens of thousands of pounds of fruit in a single day, all by hand. In some blocks, mobile platforms and conveyor belts speed up the work, but it's still the eyes and hands of experienced pickers that make the final call. All of this happens under pressure. A surprise storm, a heat wave, or a new hit of citrus greening can change everything overnight. That's why every bin loaded onto a truck feels like a small victory, proof that another season made it across the finish line. From grove to plant in under 24 hours. Fruit is cleaned, sanitized, and scanned with cameras. Top-grade oranges head to produce shelves. The rest into massive juicers where liquid gold is extracted, filtered, pasteurized, and bottled. It's a race to retain freshness, and America's orange juice industry runs 24/7 during peak months. US citrus travels far, to Canada, Japan, Korea, and beyond. In 2024 alone, the citrus export market topped $1.3 billion. Each box shipped carries not just fruit, but years of skill, risk, and resilience. Behind every glass of juice is a grove, and behind every grove is a grower, someone who watched trees grow for years before they bore fruit. Citrus is family, legacy, and belief in the future. In the US, over 25,000 farm families depend on citrus, and their story deserves to be seen. Next time you sip orange juice, remember, it began with roots, hands, and hope. What part of this journey surprised you most? Was it the years before harvest, the hand-picking, or the scale of juice production? Leave us a comment and share this video if you believe farming deserves the spotlight. Thanks for watching, and here's to the hands that turn sunshine into citrus every single day.